Here we have the Always Picture Perfect by Wavytalk blow dryer. It's a medium size, and I would say medium to a little bit heavier. Feels pretty solid. It comes with both a diffuser and a condenser, and they are magnetic, which I really appreciate. Here is the cover for the filter. It is not magnetic, so that one I don't like as well. You have to put it back on and then make sure you press it all the way counterclockwise to lock it in place. I think what this probably has the best going for it is the sound. If you're one who doesn't like the loud noises, this one is nice and quiet. That is the low, medium, and high. So as you can hear, it's really nice. It's not an irritating noise. It's nice and quiet. Here is your indicator light, and that's going to tell you what temperature. So that was cool, medium, and hot. Okay, I'll show you. This is going to be on high. So I would say this has got decent power, but not super good power. But the noise level is really good. I think that's probably my best feature for that is the noise. Otherwise, it's decent. I would say it's mid-range. I don't know what they're offering this at, but it's not high-end and it's not low-end, but I would say mid.
One of the best purchases that I've made in the past year, and I am very picky when it comes to a hair dryer. I have very thin, fine, little hair, and so ensuring that I have the best hair dryer to help keep frizz down, etc. is super important to me, as well as it also being somewhat quiet and lightweight and not taking up too much space for storage. So I did a lot of reviews, found a lot of different products, and eventually landed on the Wavytalk Pro. And if you watched any of my other videos, you also know I have the Wavytalk Pro curl brush, which I absolutely love. But the Wavytalk Pro, there's different variations of it. This was one of the more recent ones. And if you've seen the trend in hairstyle products lately, you'll also know that they are going to this magnetic snap type of apparatus attachment thing, which I absolutely love. I hate it when I used to have these attachments and then they would pop off and whatever. Now they're magnetic, which is absolutely awesome. This particular one also came with a diffuser. So if you're someone with long hair, curly hair, I don't have that opportunity, and so I don't necessarily need this, but it does come with the diffuser. You'll also see the buttons are nicely positioned. You have high, low, and medium levels on here, as well as the opportunity for the cool shot and to control the temperature. So I'm going to turn it on just so you can hear. This is on the lower speed. This is medium, and this is high. And it has quite a bit of power. I mean, we're not talking about anything lightweight, not strong enough to dry, but my hair dries pretty quickly using this. And like I said, it's not overly heavy either, and pretty stylish looking. So I would definitely purchase this for friends and family, and I would run out and get yours before the price goes up.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm doing this review. I hope it's helpful for anybody that's planning to buy one of these ones. I love it. I was basically stuck on this one, and it was really hard for me to put it on and take it out from the old blower. So this one is nice. You have this feature over here. You can open and close it because it lets you open it so you can clean it inside just for the dust and stuff like that. in the back piece, you know, in here, this part, let me see, this part come in and out, so it's easy. That way you can clean it in the back too. These pieces over here, attach and detach easily, like you can see, stays there. The other piece is the same. Low, medium, high. You can change it over here. This over here, change the color, you know, when you do it. And if you press in here, let me see. If you press in there, you see how it change. Because, you know, it's for the cold one. So this is a quick review. Hope you guys like it and find it helpful, all right, in making decision to buy one. I recommend it to anybody. It's amazing. It's not heavy, it's light. So I haven't tried it, so it's kind of hard for me to hold things for period of times. So take care now.